What is going on, guys? Today we are back for another video. Today we are going to be doing an install video. So this little package, we have something that we are going to install on the 5.0. We are going to be doing the tint over the amber strip. I kind of don't like how this orange amber strip looks, and I don't want to get the full like tint kit. I just wanted to get this. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. I was kind of debating on doing this video because it's like super easy, and there's like some videos on YouTube, but I mean, I was like, you know, it's not that hard. So I was like, should I even do it? But hey, I gotta bring you guys through the journey. You know what I do to the car. You know, somebody can find it useful somehow. So that's what we gonna do. That's what we gonna do. But first, let's get a cold start on this video. All right, you guys, so now that we moved the car a little forward, so we have a little space to do the install, these are the things that you're gonna need. Now that we have all our stuff, pretty simple stuff, just soapy water at the hose right there. Got obviously the tint, and then I have this to just clear off the little bits of water that are going to be left when you put the soapy water. And yes, guys, I know I don't have a little spray to just put soap and water, so I'm going to improvise. I got some soap, got a bucket, got the water. That's all we need. So don't flame me too much in the comments, you know. If you guys wanted to flame me, don't flame me too much. We got to improvise. Got to work with what we got. So other than that, let's get right into it. First thing we are gonna do is we're gonna clean the surface a little bit, because there is a little bit of dust and like a little bit of leaves from like the trees where I live. So that's what we're gonna do, guys. And I know she is needed for a wash like always. This car literally lasts me like 2 days clean. Other than that, it goes back to this. Look at this. Bunch of just dust everywhere. The camera doesn't pick it up, but it's dirty again. Anyways, next step, since I don't have a little spray bottle, whatever, to just spray the soapy water, I'm just gonna grab this, dip it, you know, and just put the soapy water right there. Y'all see? And after that, after you have the soapy water, you're gonna want to put some soapy water on this, just so you can have a little bit more, so it doesn't stick right away. Just a little bit more play, so you know where exactly to adjust it. And yeah, so we're just gonna go put it like this. Make sure it doesn't stick right away. And then after that, we gonna place it. And then you're just gonna try your best to just put it on, line it up the best you can, and then just take out the bubbles. So I'll pick you guys up when I have this sort of done. So update, I think I got it. So this is what I found probably the best, is just get a card, put it in the little rag, and just take out the excess air bubbles. It was moving a little bit, like a lot for me because of the soap, but once it just dries up and you get out all the air bubbles, it takes off super easy and it sticks super nice. So it's kind of just a look how it looks. I honestly think it looks so much better just from this little thing. I think it looks way cleaner than that orange strip right here. I don't know, I always give it like a weird, like, I don't know, give it like a weird look. Just like everything was all nice, the headlights, and then you have an orange thing right here. So, and I know you could get the whole thing deleted if you take it somewhere, because I do watch my boy Rush Shift. Shout out to my boy Rush Shift if he's watching this, but if he ever watches this. But yeah, I mean, I seen his, he got the actual whole amber delete, so he took all that out and he just made it clear. So I mean, I don't know if where I could have done that, but for the meantime, we'll just use this little tint cover. And it honestly looks good. So yeah, we'll just do this. But I think we are done. So we are gonna be moving on to the other side. Guys, onto the other side. So just like the first time on that side, first step, just give it some water, clean it up a little bit. Then get your soapy water or whatever you use and put it on the light. And then after that, you're gonna want to put some soapy water on your tint up in there. You guys will feel it right away, guys. When you guys don't put the soap and water, whatever, it's super sticky. So trust me, you guys do have to put like soap and water on this, because it will make it so much easier, so you can play around and put it exactly how you want it, because it is like super sticky without anything. After this, you just place it on. Squeezed out all the little air bubbles the best I could, and this is the final product. What do you guys think? I think it looks super clean. It gives the whole front end, the whole with black with the ruby red, contrasts way better, and it's just a simple tint. Look at that. Looks super good from this angle. And then there's this side also, which is done. Can't really see it right now because it is super bright out here, but I am going to show you guys how it looks at night. I think at night with the whole lights on and everything, it's gonna look even better. So with my magic powers of editing, we will go from sunny to just like that, guys. With the magic power of editing, it's nighttime. But I wanted to show you guys also how it looked at night. I think it looks so good. It's such an easy install and such a small thing, and I think it looks so much better. It goes with the whole black right here with this black, and then like the black scoops. I think it gives it a way meaner look, and that's why I wanted to bring you guys with me to show you guys how it looked at night. Sorry guys, I did also get off work right now. That's why it is like, I think it's like 11 p.m. right now. Yeah, it's 11 p.m. I just got off, but I was like, hey, I gotta get a video from subscribers, man. They gotta see how it looks, you know. And like I said earlier, I was hesitant to like make a whole install on this because it was like super easy, and like, you know, I was like, really, are they really gonna want to watch a video? But I want to bring you guys through the journey and what I do. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. I think it looks so good. Look at this, guys. And I literally picked these up for 20 bucks on eBay. So like, most likely I will put the link below in the description, but also if I wasn't to put it, but I'm pretty sure I will, you literally, all you search up is like window front light tint for like Mustang 2018. I'm pretty sure they'll have it for any other car too if you put it. You just got to put the year and like the model of your car. But 20 bucks, guys, look at that. Cannot go wrong. And it made such a big difference. So yeah, I hope you guys liked it, and let me know what you guys think. Let me know if it looks cool in the comments. Like I said, I will try though to put the link in the description, so if you guys want to grab a pair. And be like your boy out here. I think it looks so much better, and it sticks on so good. Like, this is not coming off, so good. 20 bucks, come on guys, like you can't really beat that. But yeah, but honestly, I just want to say truly do appreciate it, guys. I appreciate all the support you guys have been showing. Like, guys, you guys don't understand how happy I get just seeing comments, and like the views go a little bit up more and more like every day. Like, I truly do appreciate it, you know. And I feel like this is just the beginning. Like, you know, a lot of people might not see it and they just be like, oh, like 100 views, like that's not nothing. But to me, I honestly think like that's like so much. Like, just somebody, or like at least like a few people were like watching my videos. Like, I think that's, it gets me so happy, and I truly do appreciate it from the bottom of my heart, you know. And like I said, this is only the beginning, so thank you guys so much. If you guys are still tuning in, make sure to leave a fat like, comment what you guys think, how does it look, and or comment anything you guys want to see. And do have more videos coming, so they're coming, guys, they're coming. But make sure to like, comment, subscribe, join the fam, and I'll see you on the next time. Peace.